In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import HTML to Mailchimp quickly and easily. First things first, ensure you have your HTML file ready. Now let's begin the process with logging into your Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp website and access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. From there, go to the campaign section and select Create Campaign. Now we're all set to create a code your own campaign. Click on Create and then choose Email. You'll want to select the option for a regular email. Next, give your campaign a descriptive name. Something straightforward like HTML newsletter no 1 would work well. Under the content section, click on the button to design email. As you find yourself in the template selector, scroll down and choose the code your own option. At this point, you'll be presented with three choices: paste in code, import HTML, and import from zip. The option you select will depend on how you have your HTML formatted. If you have direct HTML code, you might find paste in code to be the best fit. However, if you have a saved HTML file or a compressed zip file complete with images and assets, those options might be more suitable. Let's talk about the most common choice, the paste in code option. If you select this, simply copy your HTML code from wherever you have it saved. Then once you're in the Mailchimp code editor, paste that code right in. When you're satisfied with what you see, click Save and Close. Mailchimp is smart enough to automatically generate a preview for you. This will help you ensure that your formatting is just how you like it before moving on to the next step. After you import your code, it's crucial to check everything over. Click on Preview and then enter Preview mode to see your layout and images. Look out for any discrepancies in spacing or formatting. Additionally, take advantage of the option to send a test email to yourself. Whether you use Gmail or Outlook, this will give you a valuable preview as if you're one of your audience members. Ensure that everything looks spot on, particularly your unsubscribed footer and company information, which are necessary for compliance with Mailchimp's guidelines. Once you're satisfied with the HTML, it's time to add your campaign details. First, you'll need to set your recipients, whether it be an entire audience or a specific segment. Then fill out the from name and subject line fields. Make sure your tracking options are confirmed with both open and click tracking turned on. You're almost there. Finally, depending on your plan, go ahead and click send now if you're ready, or you can choose to schedule it for a later time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully imported HTML into Mailchimp, ready to reach your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy email.